Hi guys.
That looked like 3 eagles right there flying by over the water. All done. We're getting it done. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I can't say I'm up and at 'em too early this morning. I went ahead and got some extra sleep, which is still very much needed being out here and adjusting to my new time. But Dad and Mike got up nice and early, gathered the rest of the trash from around the cabin this morning, and we're about to take it up to the dump, go dump all of it, go run some errands, fill up on some water, I think get some more gas, and I think we got to do a little bit of laundry while we're out there too. So we're gonna bring you guys along for the ride so you can see what a day of errands looks like. But keep you guys posted as we do more throughout the day, and catch you soon. Made over here to the little dump spot. About to grab all the garbage, get her tossed off, and then go keep running some more errands. Catch you in a second with an empty trailer. All done. It's so bright. All right, off to go run some more errands. Well, we just ate some food from this Mexican restaurant here. I got a little barbacoa burrito with some French fries. Addie got herself a little quesadilla, and then Dad got some tacos or something. But I still haven't had any bit of caffeine today, and my body is not accustomed to that. And not using caffeine every day is something I'll deal with later. I would rather just grab myself a coffee, Monster, Red Bull, something of the sorts now. So short little walk over from that building to Dollar General. I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself some type of energy drink, coffee, something. I just need some energy. Trying to find a whole drink section. I bent the corner and found these, but they're not cold, so keep walking. Yep, that'll do it. Thanks so much, appreciate you. Yeah. Have a good one. Successful dollar store run. We went ahead and got a sugar-free Red Bull. They're usually one of my favorites whenever I just need some energy. I don't like all the extra sugar, and they give me a nice little kick, or give me wings, as they would say. I love looking back here at all these little peaks. A little change of scenery from at home where everything's kind of just flat. But here's hoping most of that laundry is finished by now, and go in there, load it up in the hampers, and then get back to the house. I think we're expecting a little bit of rain today as well, so we'll probably be doing quite a bit more editing today, but I got a lot of footage for you guys to watch, so it's not a bad thing.
Hi guys.
Clothes are done. Catch you guys back at the house.
Whoop.
That looked like 3 eagles right there flying by over the water. That was pretty cool. Hopefully the camera picked it up good enough for you guys to see. But I think the plans for the rest of the evening is to go back to the cabin, continue editing. I'm trying to, of course, get out as much content as I can for you guys while I'm here. But I think for a little bit, I'm just gonna sit here by the water, relax, and just honestly take in the views. But I'll catch you guys back at the cabin. Well, good morning, everybody. I'm sure you can tell by the redness in my face and the sweat beading off that we're not just getting out here this morning. We actually just got the Jeep battery switched out and then moved it, parked over there. We had Uber come help us pick up the boat, get that moved, also over yonder. And then we went ahead and grabbed this trailer, and we're about to take all these pallets and build us a little floor right here for the second big yellow canopy like that one that's going up right beside it. I'm trying to get as much of that as I can for you guys, and let's go ahead and bust it out. Come on, getting started early. Getting her clear. Just about ready to have some pallets laid on her. Gotta love Uber. It's hot, boy. But we got the pallets moved. And I think we're about to move the hay over there by the goats, cover it up with a tarp, and then probably start putting that canopy together. Shoo! I'm leaking out here. Got that done. Whew. It's like the weird cloudy right now where it's all overcast, but it's still super bright. It's like, I want to put on my sunglasses because it's bright, but then it makes everything a little bit too dark. Tell them something.
Coco is the most cutest and she's so cute.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and I want to show you. I'll show you what video that it has the brownie is like right in those, the one that's putting it to your snack.
That one? Mm-hmm. Nice.
He's so cute. And then
so pretty. We just stacked the hay bales right here. Got them underneath the tarp. Job success. There it is. It's all built. Not finished just yet. Right now we're currently wrapping up the inside. I'll go ahead and show you what we've done. Try to ignore the generator noise. So we got both the front and the back put on. The top is on, and now we're putting in all these little poles here. The last thing we need to finish off these poles is to get these brackets on these poles, get some bolts in them, tighten them down, and then that should wrap up the rest of the building. And we can call that a success. So we're about to be finished up with that, and I think we're actually gonna be able to beat the rainstorm. So while it's pouring down, we'll probably go inside and work on the computers for a little bit, but we're getting it done.
And I'm helping too.
Oh yeah.
And I have this to help. Why the magic?
Well, as you can hear, we literally finished right on time. The rain is currently starting. We finally got the thing together. It took, I don't know, a little while, but managed to get it done. And as I said, literally right at the deadline. So happy to have that finished. You wouldn't believe how long it took me to get all these little bolts in, these little brackets. On the corners, luckily it only had one bolt, but it was still a pain to thread it through all of it. And on the middle ones, they all had two, so that was a lot more to get done, but you know, some tedious focus and trying not to bake alive in here. We managed to get it done. Happy Pops.
Happy. This was a big one. Now all we got to do is load it up tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get her done. We just cranked the generator back up, and I think on that note, probably gonna go ahead and head back inside, like right now. And now I'm probably about to do a little bit of computer work for the doctor's office, and then hop on a video edit for you guys. And actually today I had a video come out, so Friday, for reference sake of the video. Hopefully that does well. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy this one even more. Sweet. Check in with you guys at some point.
Yay!